Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect flour tortillas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 6 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of fat such as lard, shortening, butter, or beef tallow, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and hot water. Alright guys, so these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by adding our all-purpose flour into our bowl. And you're just kind of going to grab it out of the packet. Now to that we're going to add our salt and baking powder. Now mix it with your clean hand. And now we're just going to crumble in our fat. And like I mentioned, you can use lard, shortening, or butter. And I have made it without any fat, and you can also do it, but just keep in mind that your tortillas might be a little chewy. Now we're just going to crumble it together until it's well combined, and it's going to begin to feel like wet sand. And if you're using butter, I suggest for you to melt it. But once we have that, now slowly we're going to begin to pour our hot water. And just use as hot as your hands can handle. Just make sure not to burn them. And also depending on the fat that you use, it depends on how much water you're going to need. But just pour it slowly. Don't just throw it in there. The flour is gonna let you know when it's enough. So just make sure that you don't have no dry spots. Begin to mix it. Move the dry flour to one side, so like that if you need to add more, it's easier. And at first it's going to feel sticky, but as you knead, you're going to be working out the dough and it's going to get its shape. And that for me took 2 cups. But once we have it, now we're just going to begin to knead for about 5 minutes or until we have a smooth dough. All right, so here my bowl is clean. So now I'm just going to remove my dough out of the bowl and begin to knead it. So like that's easier for me. Just knead it until it's nice and smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, once the dough no longer sticks to your hand and you're able to pull your dough and it stretches, just like that, you're able to see right through it. It is done. So now we can get ready to divide it. And of course, depending on how big you want your tortillas, and it depends on how much you're going to divide it into. So just grab your bowl, begin to roll it on your countertop. Just so like that, they're nice and smooth. Place it over parchment paper or foil your way all the way until you no longer have any more dough to divide. All right, so once we have divided our dough, we're just going to keep them covered with plastic wrap and along with the kitchen towel. Alright guys, so now we're just going to allow our dough to rest for at least 20 minutes. The longer the better, so like that you allow the gluten to relax, and when you stretch it out, it doesn't shrink. Okay, so we're just going to wait and then we'll be back for the fun part. Alright guys, so once our dough has rest for at least 20 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's rolling out our tortillas. And at this point, you also want to make sure that your comal is nice and hot over medium heat. So we're just going to grab a little bit of our flour, dust it on our clean countertop, place our ball of dough, add a little bit more, and roll your rolling pin as well. And now we're just going to begin to roll it, going up, down, going to flip it over, go up, down, flip it over, up, down, and we're just going to repeat the process until our dough is nice and round and we have shaped our tortilla. Okay, and once we have rolled our dough, it should look like this. So now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so now we're just going to place a tortilla over our comal and allow it to blister. And once it blisters, flip it over to the other side and allow it to cook for 35 seconds or until it puffs. And once it puffs, we remove it from the comal, place it in a kitchen towel, and we repeat the process with the rest of our tortillas. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready to enjoy. Now of course, you can enjoy them with anything and everything, But let me tell you that even just like this, they're seriously the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Now let me tell you, making tortillas, it's a little time consuming, but let me tell you that it is so fun. Once you master rolling them out, let me tell you that you're going to want to make them every single day because they're seriously super easy to make. And if you want them to last you up to a week, you can always just make sure that you keep them covered, wrap them in your kitchen towel, and then place them inside a Ziploc bag. Just make sure that no air goes in them, so like that they stay nice and soft all those 7 days. But I am ready. Hope you give them a try. Cheers and enjoy. We love flour tortillas. I make them like almost every single day. They're just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious flour tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.